Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to build a Lamborghini Huracan in Minecraft. First, gather your materials, primarily black and yellow concrete, along with some black stained glass. Begin by laying down a base of black concrete, 4 blocks wide and 11 blocks long. This forms the sturdy chassis of your supercar. Ensure the base is perfectly flat on the ground. This initial step sets the foundation for the entire build, so take your time to get it right. Next, let's add the wheels and start shaping the body. Place black concrete blocks for the wheels, leaving a 1-block space between the front and rear sets. Now, begin building up the main body using yellow concrete, carefully outlining the sleek curves of the Huracan. Don't forget to incorporate side skirts and the distinctive front bumper sections. This stage really brings the car to life, giving it that iconic Lamborghini silhouette. Now it's time to add the windows and a basic interior. Use black stained glass blocks for the windshield and side windows, giving the car its sleek, aerodynamic look. Inside, place a single black concrete block for the driver's seat and a button for the steering wheel. Finish the cabin by adding a rear window with more black stained glass. These details make your Huracan feel more complete and ready for a virtual drive. Finally, let's add the finishing touches to your Lamborghini Huracan. For the headlights, place item frames on the front and put black concrete blocks inside them. At the rear, use redstone lamps for bright, functional taillights. To complete the sporty aesthetic, add a spoiler using black concrete slabs. Your easy-to-build Minecraft Lamborghini Huracan is now ready to cruise the blocky world in style.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.